get a room, and we ain't gotta tell nobody. It's just me, and it's just you, and what we doing here is private. Cut your phone off.
Hey you guys, so I'm back today to recreate a look that a lot of you guys wanted to see. So this is going to be my first look to kick off the fall, so stay tuned for many more makeup looks. And if you do enjoy makeup videos, be sure to like, comment, and share. So of course I'm starting off with primed skin and my eyebrows on. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids, and I'm going to use two different Colourpop concealers. The number that I'm using is Golden 40 and Tan 50. I'm not going to set my concealer, but I am going to set my brow bone using this Absolute face powder. I have glitter on the bottom, so I can't really show you, but this is how the shade look. It's so old. I use this like just about every day. I'm just going to set my brow bone. Now I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, which looks like this. If you guys don't know, I just absolutely am in love with Juvia's Place. I'm going to go into that yellow shade right here, and that's going to basically act as my transitional shade. And I'm going to like pick up a lot, because this is like not the most intense yellow, but it's really good. And I'm going to kind of like hack it a little bit as well. This look is so simple. I try to keep my looks really simple and beginner friendly so anyone can recreate them. So I'm going into this brown shade, and it has like an orange undertone in my opinion. And we're basically going to just focus this in the crease. In my original look, I didn't like intensify the crease with a black like I normally would do. But the second time I did this look, I did, and I think I like it better with the black. But I don't know. We shall see. We're just creating. So just keep watching. Going to take a clean fluffy blending brush and just blend everything in. Jam to music and film at the same time and talk to y'all. My struggle be real. So I'm going into the NYX Glitter Primer, which looks like this. And for the glitter, I'm using a really affordable glitter by JCat Beauty. The shade is called Amazing Gold, and it looks like this. So since I'm really trifling, my brush is dirty, so yeah, we're gonna work with it. I'm using like a Wet n Wild, I forgot, I think this is like their eyeshadow brush or something like that. It's really affordable though. And I'm just gonna take the NYX glitter glue, and I'm gonna like semi cut my crease kind of with this glitter glue. I don't really do like the super dramatic cut creases. Like I have did them, but I kind of always been the type of person who freestyles. Let's do this. see, Lord, these breakouts ain't my friend. But then it was going to say, as you guys can see, I didn't really hardly get any fallout, so I'm feeling real bossy. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to use Cyprus Umber to deepen my crease, because I wasn't for sure if I wanted to deepen my crease today. So I'm just going to use this chocolate brown color. And I'm just going to put this like right in my crease and bring it back, like just directly in the crease. Then I'm going to do a wing liner with the NYX matte liquid liner. I'll be sure to try to link everything either in the description box or on the screen. Use my all-time favorite eyelashes, and y'all, I promise I got so many different eyelashes, but I always come back to my boobs because I feel like these eyelashes just compliment my eyes. So comment down below if you already know what eyelash I'm about to put on. Yes, KoKo Goddess Lashes. Okay, so I want to show you guys quickly how I apply my eyelashes. You kind of need to know exactly where you want to center your eyelashes, since I've been wearing eyelashes for years and years now, and specifically these, I kind of know where I like to place them. And I did cut just a tiny bit off, so I'm going to place them more like from the mid center to the end. I'm going to try to do this while looking into this little tiny mirror. So I like to place them in the center. Just kind of like just get them on there basically. And then I drag them to the outer part where I want them. And then to the front. Of course, using my tweezers, I just mesh the eyelashes in with my natural eyelashes. And I do suggest putting on mascara first, kind of like a primer for your eyelashes and a protectant. And just kind of like mesh them in. But hopefully you guys get the gist of that. And if you want, you can go in and add not wing liner, but liquid liner on top of your eyelashes, and I'm going to do that today. So thumbs up if you know this tutorial is helpful to you guys, because I'm really taking my time. And I like talk through videos, but I like to jam while I'm doing my makeup. So, you know, I'm doing this for you guys, so don't forget the thumbs up. So while I'm letting everything soak into my skin, I'm going to go back in and focus on the eyes. I'm using Colourpop's Telepathy from the Kathleen Lights collection. Sure y'all know how it looks. And if you guys know, like, this is a signature inner tear dot color for my eyes, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop that in, and it's just going to intensify the gold glitter and give it like a little bit more of a dimension. And to make my eyes pop out a little bit more, I'm going to go in to the Zulu palette, and I'm going to use this brown to just smoke out my under eye. I just had a moment. So I'm going to mix two of my all-time favorite highlighters. You guys know this is like everybody's favorite highlighter, and it's the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And then when I'm feeling real extra, I like to use the Milani Strobe Light in the shade Glowing, and it looks like this. So this one's like a little bit lighter than the Molten Gold, so I'm going to put the Molten Gold on first. And I'm like really debating if I want to put on blush, because I did have on blush in my original look, but like, oh, I just don't know. I guess I'm going to put on the tiniest amount of blush, and this is like an old school favorite, and it's by Milani, and it's their Red Vino blush. So I'm just going to put a little bit out, just a little bit. I had on two Colourpop lippies. The first one is Colourpop's Embellish, and this is like the ultra matte, and I had on a ultra satin in Tansy. These shades are going to be everything for the fall and the winter, so y'all know, go cop y'all if you guys don't already have it in your collection. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips with a dark lip liner, and this one's by LA Girl, and the shade is called Brown Black. I did put on some lip gloss that day, so I'm just using the Ruby Kisses Plush Cream Lip Gloss. I hate getting my clear lip gloss all messy.
So whatever you do, just be your soul. When you walk out the door, you be your soul. If they slaying up in corporate, you get slammed, don't you force it, I'ma leave it to you to be your soul. So whatever you do, just be your soul. When you walk out the door, be your soul. If they slaying up in corporate, you get slammed, don't you force it, I'ma leave it to you to be your soul.